For any job aspirant, you need to know ABC. ABC is what required. See, if it is regarding car driving, okay, or bike, what it may be accelerator. A stands for accelerator, B stands for brake, C stands for clutch. Right. Similar, that's for okay driving a car which is manual, not automatic. For automatic, this C will be out. For scooty and all, C is not there. Only accelerator and brake. Fine. Okay. That here also C is for few companies. C is not required. I'll explain. So similarly, for a job aspirant, you require ABC, where A stands for aptitude, which involves quant, reasoning, and verbal. See, I'm talking about government jobs, I'm talking about your core jobs. Mechanical civil aspirants may focus on, sir, I want only in my line, I don't want to enter into software. I want jobs in civil area, mechanical area, fine. Still, this ABC is applicable. Right, so B stands for behavioral test. So, what is this behavioral test? Right now, Capgemini company, Tech Mahindra, IBM, if you apply, there is one round called psychometric test. In Capgemini, they call behavioral test only. They'll give a question, okay, where they'll ask you what is your response for that question. They want to check whether people are arrogant, what type of mindset you have. They're giving 100 questions, hardly they'll give 10 minutes time only. You cannot think like other guy. Okay, for the question, what is the answer? Suppose there is an accident happen. Okay, now okay, you are already late to the college. Now they'll give the situation option. You will stop and help that guy. Or you okay, already you are late for the college. You are just going to the college. Or on the way you are stopping and calling to ambulance. Something they'll give situations. Which is right when you are thinking. That they'll check your mindset how you are. Depends on the questions. That's what behavioral. For the given situation, how you will behave. Because one employee in a team may spoil entire team also depends on their behavior. Behavioral assessment or psychometric test, it is called as. So what about C? C stands for coding. If you are attending for IT sector, coding, C language or Python or C++ or Java. Now all companies they are giving any language you can select and type the code, coding. No sir, I want to go for core sector jobs. So core subjects. Sir, I want to write GATE exam. You want core subjects. If you are from EC, you need EC subjects. You need to prepare for GATE exam. Or for government sector jobs also, you need to prepare your department related subjects. Core subjects C stands for. C stands for communication as well. See, Accenture company, you have communication round. Cognizant company, you have a communication round. What is this communication round, sir? They want Techman also communication round is there. Versant round also they call. It's called as communication, or else we can say it's like a Versant round. They want to check lsrw here. L stands for listening, speaking, reading, and writing. They'll check in that communication round. It is there right now in Accenture company, in Tech Mahindra, in Cognizant. Majority of the companies they're checking Versant round. Right, so this is for written test point of view, dear. In written test, these are the things they'll check. Written test consists of all these things. Right, A, B, C in simple. See, some companies know if you, so let us say in TCS company, if you want to go for, there are three different packages called as 3.6 or 3.36. One is 7 lakhs and above, other one is 9 lakhs and above. Three different packages depends on your talent or depends on your knowledge. If suppose you want to go for basic package 3.3, then that C is not required. Coding is not required. They don't the coding round if you clear or not, they don't worry. If you clear that first one, quant reasoning verbal, you got good score, then you'll get a chance for ninja roll. Ninja roll is for 3.36 package. But if you do good in coding, no, you may got 7 lakhs or 9 lakhs package. It depends. In Cognizant also there are many different roles. For one is for 4 lakhs, 4.5, 6.5. It all depends on how you perform in coding. So I don't want coding, you still have 4 lakhs package. Infosys also we have basic package for system engineer role 3.6 lakhs package, and for specialist engineer, okay, there you have digital specialist roles at 6.5, 9.5 package. 3.6, 6.5, 9.5, different packages. 6.5, 9.5 involve coding. For 3.6, coding is not there. That C is optional in few, but if you prepare, you may have a chance to get high package. Some people who are from non-CSC background, they may question, sir, I don't want coding. Still, there are jobs. That's what I want to convey. But we'll recommend whether you are from any branch, okay, especially non-CSAD branch students, we can go with Python. It's a bit easy. We can learn Python language that will definitely help you in your okay mechanical. Also, there are some softwares you need to update automation. For that, Python is required. You will require that knowledge. So learn one language at least. If you are from CSE related branches, allied branches, you should have good in C. You should be good in Python and Java. Python is optional at least. C and Java you must and should be good. Companies will expect. If you are from CSC and CSC allied branches, when you are attending in third year or fourth year for any company, by that time they are expecting you should be strong in C, you should be strong in Java. You cannot say Java, I don't know, if you are from CSC allied branches. For non-CIT students, they don't expect much in coding. They expect also bit knowledge. Fine. Sir, a student from EC branch and a student from CSC branch both have same knowledge. EC student will select compared to CSC because they is from non-CSCT and having equal knowledge related to CSC student. That guy did a lot of hard work, so they'll select more from EC. Then. Chance for EC student then. So because yeah, the guy who is from CSC, they'll expect more. Suppose there is a one program you need to write. EC student type the code in 10 lines. CSC student also 10 lines. They'll select EC student. CSC student they expect the same code within 5 lines or 6 lines or 7 lines. Optimization techniques they'll expect more from CSC related branches. For remaining people, at least they'll expect here whether people are understanding the code, trying to attempt it, trying to execute it. They're happy with that. Companies also not get okay, involving same knowledge required for all branches, not forcing that. But still, some people from civil, we have jobs related to civil branch and mechanical branch as well. But still, if you learn some coding, that's an add-on advantage. There are students in our college from civil and mechanical who got 7 lakhs package in TCS, who got 6.5, 4.5 in Accenture. Okay, you can do that. That's not an issue. You can try and give an attempt. This is only for written test. But before this, what is required is registration process. Before that, eligibility is required. See, for before attending any company, you should be eligible for that. What is the eligibility in general? A student must and should minimum they're expecting 60% throughout your academics. 10th inter diploma and up to now in BTech 60%. As per JNTU Hyderabad, okay, 60% means 6.5 CGPA required. 6.5 CGPA. Sir, is it 6.5 sufficient for all companies? No. Better if you have 7 CGPA or 8 CGPA or 8.5. More CGPA, you are eligible for more companies. Depends on market. Okay, Infosys sometimes they'll give 60% cutoff in BTech. Sometimes they're asking 75%. TCS or Tech Mahindra also last time 60%. This year they're asking 70%. As they want less number of people, they're increasing their percentage eligibility criteria. So the more CGPA you have, the more advantage you will get or more opportunities you will get. But minimum worst case you require 6.5 CGPA. So some people may argue, sir, I don't have 60% in 10th, sir. That's what I'm telling you. There are some companies like Flipkart, Amazon, they don't ask any percentage. TCS Code Vita. TCS Code Vita, first year student can take, second year student can attempt, third year, fourth year can attempt. There are no percentage criteria, no issue regarding backlogs and all. There are some companies still if you have less percentage, backlogs also allowing, but majority of the companies expecting minimum 60% throughout your academics and no backlogs at the time of applying for the company. You're applying for the company at the time you should have no backlogs and at the time of joining also you should not have any backlogs. So what is these two different things? At the time of applying, at the time of joining. Because see, you will apply for the company, majority of the companies in 3.2 and 4.1 at the time of applying. Joining will be after 4.2, no? In between fourth year also some people may have backlog. So they'll mention the condition. At the time of applying, at the time of joining, you should not have backlogs. Two classes will be there. Right. So maintain that and try to prepare the resume. And by the time when you apply for any company, you need minimum one project in your resume. So from second year onwards or from first year onwards, any diploma students they have an advantage. They did a project in their diploma, they can put that in the resume. As of now, their resume will be filled with that project details. But for regular students, you need to do some project. Already in Vihan program, I hope you people started doing some projects. You can add those into the resume. Hardly two projects, okay, which is the best you feel, that only you can keep in the resume. And after this, yeah, first one is registration process. For that, you need to get eligibility. Then you will take the written test. After this written test, there is something called GD, group discussion for few companies. Not every company will conduct. Few companies they'll conduct group discussion. If there are more people clear the written test, but still they want less people, they'll conduct GD to eliminate the people. Group discussion on a certain topic randomly they'll give. Then after that we have interviews, technical interview, HR interview, okay, basic things they'll check. So that's what the recruitment process is. Written test followed by GD, optional. Some companies may or may not. Last one is related to your interview.